All right, gang. They are gray, black base, a little grill right here. What is it? You each get one of them.
Oh yeah, I know what these
Waiting
are.
for these.
These are
This is
amazing.
going to round out. No, I got it right here. Fine culinary tradition here.
Yeah.
The Irish. Everybody knows that some of the finest food is small.
Yes.
A mouche-bouche.
Mouche-bouche, one bite.
Right? Yeah. I mean, you know, a donut's fine, but a munchkin?
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Better.
much better.
Huh?
I
Better
agree.
for you, too.
I'll go along with that one.
Yeah. Chicken nugget.
Chicken.
Who needs the whole chicken?
Taking a blanket.
See, you've been.
Little.
That's great, except that when it comes to Sunday brunch, everything's big. Pancakes are stacked up, the
Yeah.
bacon is piled up. It's huge. And the waffles, you can get lost in one of those
Oh
things.
yeah.
That's where this comes in.
What is that?
It's a little waffle maker. So you pour the batter in there, you put the top on right there, give it a good hard squeeze, and out comes the waffleette.
The wafflet.
It's a waffleette.
Waffle.
Available in your stores
Goes with the
soon.
margarita.
Bite-sized waffle. You're so far off. It's scary. I've seen these things, and these are amazing. So if you ever had a wet basement or a water heater breaks,
Yeah.
basement floor floods,
Yeah.
you take these out of the drawer and you throw them all over the floor, and they suck up all the water.
And what do you do with the water? How
You
you
take them outside and you dump them out and bring them back and do it in. It might take a couple of days.
Crazy me, I've been putting pumps
Yeah,
in.
that's stupid.
Crazy.
That's
Plumbers.
stupid. Look at the money and the time you would have
We
saved.
saved a lot with these.
Help them out, Mauro.
Got
Help
it
'em
all
out.
wrong. This is nothing but a street game, all right? It calls the shell.
The
You're gonna
shell?
say you put a coin underneath one of them.
Yeah.
All right, just like that. Scrumble them around, right? You got $100 on you?
Oh, we're betting here?
Yeah.
How about a 5-ski?
5 is good, yeah. All right, we'll take that. Scramble them around, all right? And then you find a coin.
Find a coin. Obviously, it's right.
Find the
Oh. What?
I see
It's
it.
right there.
I'll take the $5.
Hey,
You don't get the money.
That by rights is mine.
I found it. I found it.
All right, it actually has a very functional use, except you need a fourth one.
Oh, see, you left up
There's
one.
only 3 of you. There's only 3 of you. All right, your dryer's in the house, you turn it on, and it can do the 2-step when it's on its spin cycle and just dance right into the hallway.
Yeah. What kind
of dryer
With
do you
this, well, it's a dancing dryer, and you put the dryer up on the legs, and it acts as a shock absorber and makes it quiet so you don't hear it, and it actually works.
Actually sounds pretty good.
It actually does.
One
Or you
zone.
can do a shim with a shingle.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.